We all know mixing bass, especially bass guitar, can be super tricky because you're dealing with low end in the mix. I want to show you guys a few steps that you can do to not only get fat and warm round bass, but also have it heard on small speakers such as your phone, etc. Let's dive into the mix.
Sonic Gold Productions.
Carve out a little bit. So my ear is kind of hearing like some boominess there that wants to be cut out. So let's cut out some and see how that feels. Feels a little cleaner. And then if we want to get the level overall more consistent, let's slap on this CLA 3A and let's play with this a little bit. I like that. And the reason why I did limiter instead of comp is because I don't really want to slope into my compression. You know, I just want, if the waves are like this for the bass, I just want like basically limited, just cut at these points so that the overall bass can just be like even more consistent. Because if I'm compressing, it's making the level and the dynamics more consistent, but not as much as if you were to limit. And especially something like bass where like I really want to control it. I've lately just been finding limiting bass to be much simpler, easier than compressing. All of that sounded pretty solid. I want to add some, let's add some upper harmonics to this bass to kind of just get the tonality felt more on the smaller speakers. So I like that. Let's bypass it. Hey, just wanted to let you know, if you're looking to take your mixing to a professional level, I have a free mini course called 6 Mix Finalizers. This is a resource that I wish I had years ago. I created it for producers and engineers to help them finish their mixes faster and with greater confidence. I also have a Patreon where I share the full-length mixing sessions from these YouTube videos and exclusive content. All of this is linked in the description below. Let's get back to the video. Let's play the track from top. And right now I got the this EQ on the master, taking out basically all the low end, just because I still want to balance mids. For some reason, this bass sounds like it could still be like nastier to me. Maybe let's create like a stereo aux. Send this to the beat bus. We'll send a copy of this. Call this bass distortion. We'll do full send. Basically, just like the high end of the bass I'm really hearing. Let's do pre-fader on here first. Do an EQ. Take off all the lows. So all of that, I just want to distort that a bit more. Yeah, basically that. Let's try throwing like a decapitator on here, just dirtying it up.
Let me know when it's time to be there. I'll be prudent, I swear I'll be prepared. Yeah, so much for me.
So I like that. So now I just want to mix some of this in with the original bass. So let's hear it. And one thing I need to do is just make sure I'm not canceling out any phase. So on my, let's just bring back in our low end. So let's mix this in now.
Let me know when it's time to be there. I'll be prudent, I swear I'll be prepared. Yeah. So much for me, it feels so unfair. That you chose me is nothing that compares. When I feel safe in your place, I elevate.
I actually ended up using a lot more bass distortion than I thought. I hope you learned something from today's video. I would love to hear your thoughts, so comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well so you don't miss future mixing videos. My name is Princeton Brown, and I'm a producer and engineer based in Los Angeles, and I would love to hear from you. If you would like your song mixed by me, or if you would like mixing feedback on your song, send your music to my email. If you're looking to take your mixing to a professional level, I have a free mini course called 6 Mix Finalizers, as well as a Patreon where you can get access to the full mixing sessions from these YouTube videos, as well as other exclusive content. All of this information is linked below. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next video.